I'm gonna start this video just like this. I look a mess, but anyway, I am currently at my storage. What I'm about to do is, today is Thursday evening. What I'm about to do is start moving the chairs out of my storage because I just purchased a bigger storage that's in an inside unit at another location that's maybe 5 or 10 minutes away from where I am, and it's a little bit closer to my house. It's a 10 by 20. Y'all already know the little bit that I got, I work with it, but I'm gonna show y'all how it looks in the inside in a minute. But I'm gonna get one egg chair. I had to take the top off of the egg chair because I can't get it through a regular size door, and I'm gonna put it in the back of my van, take it over to my new storage unit, show y'all how that looks, and then I'm gonna come back and get the other one. I don't have my tripod, so I can't really set you up and let you see exactly what I'm doing, but I wanted to go ahead and kick this video off because in the next few clips or later on in this video, you'll see where I got my brother who's gonna be helping me actually move my stuff, and y'all know I got shelves in here and everything, but the weather's about to change, and I already do good by putting up with the heat, but it's a lot to do when you're out here going through your stores trying to see what you got, planning for events. The heat will mess up your, well, not mess it up, but when the weather breaks, you got the pollen, you got to get off your stuff, and then I got this little throne chair here now, and I don't want this stuff to get ruined by being outside, and it's technically not outside. I'm rambling. Anyway, so this pretty much is not a decorate video. This is me moving my storage. I'll let you guys see how I organize and get everything situated and squared away. Again, this video is going to be recorded over the course of the next few days. So y'all stick around and leave some comments if you want to talk in the comment section so we can all get inspired. Thank you for stopping by my channel. If you're not already a subscriber, go ahead and hit the subscribe button and click the notification bell so you get notified when I upload videos. Y'all stay tuned for the rest of this video. Oh, wait, let me show you my storage. I wish I had a tripod so y'all can really, it's gonna be loud. Look at this. Now imagine me having to come get stuff out of this storage every time I have something to do. And it never, if you go back and look at my other video where I organized, none of this was here. None of what's in the middle was here. I might have had a few totes. This is stuff that we're planning for the next two events. This is some trampolines I got on clearance. These are the cushions for the egg chairs. So all of this is just big stuff that's in the way. So I'm gonna start moving it and then clear this space out. That way when me and my brother come back to start getting this stuff, only thing we gotta do is pull totes off the shelf, transport those, and then we can take the shelves however we get them over there. So y'all stay tuned for the rest of this video. All right, so here's my new storage. Only thing I don't like about it is that the ceiling is restricted. And if y'all saw in my other storage, I went up as high as I could with the ceiling, but I still can work with this and do something with it, so it ain't no big deal. But it is a 10 by 20. To me, it don't look that big on camera, but it's twice the size of what I have now. So, yep, we're gonna get all moved in. Before I get started, excuse my kids, because y'all gonna hear them. It's late, it's 8:18. Before I get started, I wanna ask, because this part is probably gonna be time lapse, ain't much to see. How do y'all store y'all charges for all my other event plans? I have at least 400 charges. And this card is starting to lean. This is how I would store them here. So y'all leave in the comment section how y'all store your charges. All right, y'all, so this is pretty much the final product or the end result. I still need to come back probably tomorrow or later this week to label everything. I'm tired, really tired, but I got everything moved, and to make it make sense, all my centerpiece stuff is up here. Tried to keep my linen, chair sashes, tablecloths, drapes, all of that here, glasses. Chargers are still on this cart because that's the only thing that really will support them. This side will eventually get shelves, and then these like chairs and stuff, my throne chairs and stuff, when they come, they'll be moved to another storage. But yeah, and this is my trampolines that I got, my personal stuff, and then this is event stuff for later this week. So another busy week, but yep, this is it, y'all. So thank you so much for tuning in. Don't forget to like, comment, and most of all, or most importantly, subscribe to my YouTube channel.